Hello, got some plants in the frame today. Hi. Okay, so this is a blooper reel, but I wanted to pop in because I didn't originally plan to post the blooper reel this Sunday. I was gonna try to post it the last Sunday of July, but like, your girl needs time to film. First, I have to finish filming one video that I'd already been started filming, but that won't be going up till like for another 3 weeks or something. Yeah, 3 weeks. I am filming 2 videos tomorrow that I'm very stoked for, and one of which will be celebrating my channel being 1 year old. So yay, round of applause. That's why I just need a little extra wiggle room time-wise, and that's the whole point of my 4 blooper videos, just to post them when I need time and space to get things done, but still to entertain you with my nonsense. So yeah, that's what today's video is. Sorry it's not a normal video. Wasn't planned, but enjoy, laugh, live, love, all that fun stuff. And I'm gonna work on getting things filmed, so get excited for all of July's videos. I think all of them are gonna be pretty fun. Yeah, get stoked, get excited, rad, right on. Okay, yeah, so here are the bloopers. Enjoy, and I will see you next Sunday with another video. One moment. Shut up, timer, shut up. The timer always goes off at the worst times. Let me check if you're recording. I'm paranoid. Yes, we're recording. Awesome. So, can we do without the moaning and groaning and whining and whatever, Rusty? Oh yeah, by the way, my dog Rusty is with me today, so if you hear tippy tappies, weird noises, it's him. It's him. He makes lots of noises. Sometimes he barks. He's a barker for sure. But he also like groans and moans, like to communicate. If he could talk, he would. You know, you can sit and have conversations with him when he's like that. So I cut up with scissors. We know I'm no culinary person. I couldn't think of a word. I'm not a culinary queen. There we go. Too much spinach. Too much spinach. What was I gonna say? I want to leave that. I'm gonna maybe meditate a little bit. You know, do a mental wellness check-in. In fact, comment down below. How are you doing? How are you doing? It is spring. Spring is in the air. Things are changing rapidly, better, hopefully for the better. Are you doing your part in changing things for the better? I hope you are. I believe in you. You can do whatever you're setting your mind out to do, whatever your goals are. Just keep working at it one tiny step at a time, one day at a time, one moment at a time. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait for the pie crust now. Okay, I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone. Let you think about that kind of stuff. Let you think, let it stir. Trying to close it up. Goodness gracious. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, close her up, set her aside. And now we're gonna, kind of looks like a galaxy painting. I'm a little nervous about pouring this, I will be honest. I'm not doing a good job. I royally messed up. It's because I'm too hungry, I can't focus. Rusty, you cannot join this mess. Go. Well, maybe enough of it poured out now that it's fine. I'm gonna burp. Okay, I'm gonna bring her out. We did have some issues, you're gonna see. I didn't do it, it wasn't me, it was it. I was like, okay, it's your turn now to do the work. And you know, okay. Stop making noise! And there's that wave of heat. Here we go. Wow. I did that. And Rusty's gonna join us. Oh, hello. only if you're a good boy you can stay. Okay, so you have to stay. If you want to be a part of this, you have to sit nice. When you sit nice, he's not listening. You left him and he ran up, so I just started filming with him here.
Is he being hated?
Yes, but I'm filming, so. Well, I just have to cut this part out. Feels like every time I go to film, everyone in the house has to bother me. I was cleaning our floors because it's spring and I'm in that productive mode, and I heard a text message and I was like, okay, the only person that texts me that important things in the morning is my mom. So I went to check, and then I heard my sister's phone go off and I'm like, oh yeah, she definitely texted both of us. And no, she didn't. It was a text to get vaccinated. I immediately started crying. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Huh. Huh. I mean, I understand that. But yes. I usually don't eat relish, but because it's usually in, is it gonna come out? In the In-N-Out sauce. There, we'll just put that much. I mean, it's basically just pickles, so. Going. This is very difficult. Wow. It's weird because it's mirrored. Oh, my brain. Maybe the secret is to cook your fake ground beef with a spoon. Beef? Did I say beef? Like B-E-A-T-H? It's ground beef, but fake. I told you my brain was jello. I'm probably just gonna, I don't know, this bowl doesn't really look very nice anymore. We're just gonna set her aside. Avocados are special to me. I love avocados. I just went like this. Oh my gosh. Also, my hair. Isn't my hair trendy? Look at me with my trendy hair claw clip. I grew up wearing claw clips in my hair. If you have naturally curly, thick hair, you've already been on the claw clip train. Like, it's sometimes the only option for getting your hair out of your face. So I'm glad to see that it is popular now, because I'd be like, oh, that's my bad hair day go-to. So I can throw it up and be like, oh, look at me, I'm just being trendy and fashionable. Oh my gosh. Stems on the inside, they have a different word. What's the word for the little phalanges that come out of the center of a flower? I can't remember right now. I'll put it up on the screen. Here's the word. Ah, yes, that's the word, that word. I feel like wearing a brooch or a pin, just like, you're fancy. Like, you pay attention to details. You're classy. You're on another level. Like, you know the notes of flavors in coffee. All I know is coffee. What are notes? I don't know. But I should probably pose for a thumbnail. There. That was a lot. Okay. Let me pose this there. Wait, let me grab the other banana. Okay. Oh. So without further ado, this should be pretty quick, but we don't know if it'll work. That's like the whole part of it. So like, I might be doing things and it might look like it's all going smoothly, but then, aha, we don't know. Could have looked up a recipe, didn't feel like it. If I can't go and get something, I just do it myself. Or if it's any bit difficult to go get something, I just do it myself. That's the way. And I like how I'm like, kind of feel bad about cutting this t-shirt up, but I have easily worn this t-shirt 50 times in the past decade of having it. So I can give it new life, and I'm gonna wear it so much more now if it's conjoined to all its friends. I can't lean forward. I'm just this little floating head if I do that. Also, there's gonna be a constant noise of chewing rubber because the only way I could get the dogs to stop barking at the wind was to give them their bones and let them on the couch, but they also need to be near me so that they're calm. So that's our background noise of the day. Could you be any quieter, you two? They don't even know I'm here anymore. This would probably be a good like first sewing project actually on a machine if you're as intimidated by sewing machines as I am. I don't know why I'm intimidated by them. Probably seen too many like movie scenes where they end up sewing their fingers like in The Grinch. And I should also acknowledge my hair. Like I said, it's very humid. I have curly hair. I went on a run this morning and it just grew. And the thought of having my hair on the back of my neck right now makes my skin crawl. So it's on top of my head. We have some loose curls that are just doing their own thing. It is what it is. I am also not wearing any makeup other than mascara and tinted chapstick because I teach a workout at 5 o'clock on Zoom, and never wear full face of makeup when you work out. It's not good for your skin. Thank you. And drink water. And I'm also wearing my workout clothes. So very different than the sweater we were wearing earlier. Wow. Okay. I'm so sweaty. Do you see how sweaty I am? It's so hot and humid. It's insane. It's bonkers. I don't understand. Celebrating 1 year. Woohoo! Yay! Okay, I'm gonna go do some homework now. Bye.